Taking control of your drinking involves making more and better drinking decisions. You've probably tried to manage your drinking by making some big decisions. And for most people, this will involve creating rules like that describe how much they can drink during the week, how much they can drink on the weekend, and so on. And that probably hasn't worked too well. So instead, what I advocate is to make basically a decision with every drink. If you're having 30 drinks in a week, you should be making 30 decisions. So what I'm going to do in this video is give you a quick process that you can go through to make those be the highest quality decisions possible. So the first part of a quality drinking decision that you'll make with any one drink is to figure out why you want to have it. And it's important to realize that the drinking is a reaction to emotional discomfort, basically. I mean, we have the habit, we have the routine, but at its core, what's going on is that there's a person, you, is experiencing some emotional discomfort and you want relief from that. And alcohol works to provide that relief. So the first part of a good decision is understanding what it is you're seeking relief from. And the way you do that is to identify the emotional discomfort in your body, because indeed emotions are present in our body. They can be perceived there. And when you tune into them in the right way, to this physical awareness, they don't have the power to control you in the way that emotions do when they're kind of operating in our subconscious. You can acknowledge the discomfort, say, oh, okay, I see this signal here, I perceive it, I can feel it, and I can decide, is this something I can handle right now, or is it really an emergency that I need to deal with? Second part of good drinking decisions is going into the decision process prepared for your typical excuses and rationalizations and having some counter arguments ready. Basically being ready to debate yourself, debate the common rationalizations that you come up with. And the third part of better drinking decisions is kind of having at the front of your mind a vision for why you want to drink less, for kind of having a clear articulation of the benefits that you will get when you drink less. And those might be weight and health and fitness related. They may have to do with the quality of your relationship, of your marriage, your ability to get along with your wife or partner, your ability to be a better parent, your desire to just wake up and feel good in the morning, your desire to live longer or to make more money, or any of the number of things that can, the benefits that accrue as a result of drinking less. You know, you may know these things, but they're probably in the back of your mind. They're like in the corner of the attic, and you want to have these arguments for drinking less at the front of your mind. And then what you want to do is with every drink, just take a minute and basically identify, okay, what am I feeling now? What am I seeking relief from? Be prepared to argue with yourself in that moment and remind yourself of what are the benefits of drinking less. And if you'll bring all this together into the decision process, you're going to start deciding not to drink some of the time. If you go into this process as a person drinking 30 drinks, and you were to do this with every drink, I will absolutely guarantee that you won't have 30 drinks. There's going to be a few in there where you're going to say, I just don't really want this right now. So this drink decider that's on this page is really just a questionnaire or a checklist that you can go through. It kind of is a guided self-inquiry or introspection process. It'll take you through some questions so you can do exactly the evaluation that I just described. And if you'll take a minute with your drinks, you really will, you'll be totally improving your self-awareness, and you're going to find yourself making better decisions. And if you keep doing it, you'll find that the self-awareness and your decision-making ability compounds and improves steadily over time.